Bitcoin weekly update. Starting off with Bitcoin on April 26, 2026 on the monthly time frame. Got a bullish price action forming, or that's been forming, then it dipped down back here in October, November, December, January, February. Did nothing for March, but now on April it seems like this bullish candle is about to, or just above, engulfing the last February candle, so that could be a turn. We had this long wick down here, so this could be a turn for the upside as far as a reversal. So we'll keep on going and keep looking to see if this month ends above this candle back here in February. If it does, that is definitely a bullish sign on a monthly time frame. On a weekly time frame, we got price action going up, dipping down, then dipping down one more time. We have the lows here. These lows got lower. Now we're seeing these lows here progressively getting higher as well too. So if we can get this high to get above this high, 96, that'll definitely be a change in character, moving straight up. But right now we have already just last few weeks of bullish candles going above this point right here of this candle, around 75k, 76k. So that is definitely a bullish sign that's happening right now. On a daily time frame, we got bullishness, dip down. Right now in May, we have sort of this W forming right here, and this might be a sign of a kickoff back up, especially if it gets above this low right here. That's a good resistance probably, and have a little resistance here now where it's stuck at around this guy. So if we can get above these lows and get above this low as well too, that is a more positive way of looking for the market to go up. On the hourly time frame, we've gone sideways, basically just going sideways. We're going sideways, and then this price action went above actually this high right here, which is a bullish sign. So we may have a slow bleed up to the upside, which could be a positive thing. If we switch over to see where the CME gaps are. CME gaps are between, Friday and Sunday, the closing of Friday, the opening of Sunday. There's normally a gap, so we have this gap here that went all the way back down to February 1st, and where that gap is still established, still open, that we're trying to eventually fill. So as you can see, price action is right here, which is really close to trying to go up to fill this gap, which is something where price might be gravitating toward. But just to be aware of this week when it opened, we had another CME gap form down here as well. So down here around 78 to 1k is the new CME gap. So price action may go up to fill this, or it may come back down to fill this right here, and then go up. So these two price actions or CME gaps are magnets to some action happening probably this week to come. And let's change from this 1 hour to the trending version of it. If you go to the trending lines, we have this long 4-hour action line that went down here. So price action went above that. So that is a bullish sign, and definitely you can see the yellow 200 MA. Price action is bouncing above it as well too. Another bullish sign. This box is the accumulation box. We're broke above it, then came back down again, broke above it for a second time, and now we're cruising. We'll see if we're gonna cruise and bounce above and come back up again, or just blast off from here. As you can see with these vertical lines here, we got an orange, red, red, orange, which corresponds to these market movers, news that are coming up. Orange, red, orange, meaning that Wednesday and Thursday are going to have strong or high economic news coming out that will probably affect price action and how it moves. It might be sporadic. So that is something to keep aware of and take note of. As you can see, price action is bouncing above this newly created safety line of 15-minute safety line. So if it keeps on going up, that's definitely a bullish trend. Since it got out of this accumulation phase. So we'll keep an eye out to see where we're going to go from here. Going down, straight, see if it bounces above. And that's the update for Bitcoin for April 26, 2026. Weekly update.